to our guide on how to make cone cupcakes. These are the ingredients you will need.
Firstly, you will need some cones. You will also need 1/4 cup or 56 grams of butter, 3/4 cup or 150 grams of sugar, 2 large eggs, 1.5 cups or 185 grams of flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of vegetable oil or sunflower oil.
Don't forget to preheat your oven to 165 degrees Celsius.
Wash your hands and tie back your hair,
even if you have short hair. Next, pour in your dry ingredients. Flour, sugar, salt. Mix them all in. Next, mix in your wet ingredients. Butter.
It wouldn't come out the tub.
Butter, sunflower oil or vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and your lemon juice. This is just to make your cake rise up.
And mix. Once you have finished mixing it, it should become a lovely thick batter.
We added sprinkles to make the batter look better. This is an option.
Next, fill the cones with the cake batter.
But be careful, because if you fill them over the rim, they might burn. Get 2 spoons and pick up the batter and place it into the cones. It will rise in the oven.
Now put your oven mitts on and place your cupcakes into your preheated oven. Once they're out of the oven, you need to let them cool down. After they have cooled down, make butter icing. How to make butter icing!
Get butter. There you go. Get icing sugar. There. Now mix them in a large bowl. Okay. Now mush it up with a fork.
Once you have finished making the icing, apply it to your cake.
And you can decorate it if you want to.
And finally, leave your mum's kitchen tidy.
And enjoy! Three, 2, 1.
Firstly, wash your hair.
3, 2, 1. How to... At the same time.
Oops.
3.
Thank you and good night.